Good morning, tutors and partners. My name is Francisco Alcalá. I am 53 years old, married, one girl, three kids, three boys. According to the activity 1, task 2, answer some questions. Each student answers the following questions. First, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? Is to learn how to use ESP in the different subjects like mathematics, commercial, medical English, and economics. Second one, according to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competencies? I think yes, because ESP have acknowledged to use in my personal life, personal classes, everything. Third, according to the course contents, what are the 5 topics you the most and why? The answer is the second language teacher education, because it's very important to me learn this subject. Psychology linguistics is very important to teach English. Bilingualism, because this subject is very important to advise and to learn and teach another people English. Social linguistics, how to use the ESP in social linguistics, how they use the language, English language, and the social environment. English for academic purposes. The English for academic purposes for me is it's very important because you can make writings, letters, or speech with good English. 4. According to the course contents, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? It relates when I prepare a class about specific topics like culture, countries, tourism of the country. Number 5. Have you been enrolled in an ESPN course in the past? If so, which one? What did you like or didn't like about it? Yes, I do. I was in the air traffic control information service. Thank you very much for your watch. Have fun.